everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking to you about pregnancy in Australia. If you'd like to watch more such videos, please do consider subscribing to this channel as I'll be uploading more videos on pregnancy and childbirth and about my personal experience as well. So the video you're watching now is the English version of this. The same video is also available in Hindi. So if you'd like to watch that, there's a link in the description box below. So for English viewers, let's continue with the video. Australia is known for its excellent healthcare system and extends to pregnancy and childbirth as well. In this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about being pregnant in Australia from antenatal to childbirth. So Australia is known for its excellent healthcare system and this extends to pregnancy and childbirth as well. So in today's video, I'll be discussing everything you need to know about being pregnant in Australia from antenatal care to childbirth. First things first, if you are pregnant in Australia, you'll want to start with antenatal care. So antenatal care is the medical care you receive during your pregnancy to ensure the health of both you and your baby in Australia. So antenatal care is usually provided by a midwife or a GP. Once your pregnancy is confirmed, your first antenatal appointment will be usually around the 8 to 10 weeks mark in your pregnancy, and during this appointment you'll be asked about your medical history, if you're taking any medications or if you've had any previous pregnancies or terminations. You'll also be doing a physical exam that includes a pap smear test and also a blood test just to ensure your iron levels and everything is in place. Also, this is the stage where you will be referred to the hospital. So once your pregnancy is confirmed, you'll be going to a GP, and then obviously the GP will be doing the test on their end to confirm the pregnancy, and all these blood tests will be done around 8 weeks. And after that is when you will be doing your ultrasound around that 8 to 12 weeks mark. And once your ultrasound is done, this is the stage where the doctor will be referring you to a hospital. So depending on where you live, whatever is in your catchment, the doctor will be referring you and giving you a few options of the hospitals. If you have an insurance, then you can choose a private hospital. But if you do not have an insurance and if you are on a permanent residency or a citizen, then you will be eligible for the public facilities, which is free of cost, and I will be making a video on that as well very soon. So please do subscribe so that you don't miss out on that one. So during your pregnancy, you'll have regular antenatal appointments, which is usually every 4 to 6 weeks in the first half of your pregnancy. And then in the second trimester, the hospital visits will be a little bit more frequent. The healthcare provider will monitor your blood pressure, your weight, and also the growth and development of you and also your baby. Now let's talk about the birthing options. So when it comes to giving birth in Australia, you have a few options, right? So you can choose to give birth in a public hospital, like I mentioned before. If you are a PR or a citizen, you will have this service for free. If not, if you have a private insurance, then you can obviously choose a private hospital, or you can also do your birthing at home with the support of a doula and also a midwife. In a public hospital, your care will be provided by a team of midwives and doctors, whereas in a private hospital, you will be having a more personalized approach, and you will also be having a specialized OB who will be taking care of you. If you choose to have your home birth, then your midwife and doula will be providing you with all the necessary equipment and also the medical care. So now let's talk about the maternity leave. So in Australia, new parents are eligible for the parental leave payment, which is funded by the government. So if you are the primary caregiver of the newborn, or even if you're adopting a new child, you still can receive up to 18 weeks of parental leave pay at a national minimum wage. This can be taken as a continuous block or can be broken up into smaller periods. Being pregnant in Australia means having excellent healthcare and support system throughout your pregnancy and childbirth. So I had an amazing experience. I was also signed up for the MGP program. I'll be making a specialized video on that. So pretty much MGP program is like you're treated like a queen throughout, from day one of your pregnancy. So once you get into the MGP program, you'll have all your nurse visits at home. So you don't have to go to the hospital for all your antenatal appointments. You don't have to queue up or anything. So your midwife will come to your place. You'll also have a direct number which you can message her on. So it's an amazing service, and I highly recommend, if at all you are pregnant, please do apply for MGP programs, and this is available in all the public hospitals. please do subscribe to my channel because I will be making a video on that shortly. So overall, it's an amazing experience to give birth in Australia with the antenatal care, the different birthing options, and the paid parental leave, which is for mothers, and I think fathers do get it as well, but I'll make a detailed video on that. So yes, you can definitely feel confident and supported as well when you are welcoming a new member in your family. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon in the next one. Thanks. Bye.